Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12 noon Eastern Standard Time on June 9th, and we are looking at a nice little rise in the markets after a brief consolidation. 3-minute chart of the SPY, nice little high base breakout, bit of a head fake, came right back down into the 107 area, which we were looking for support. Had a notable test of that support a couple times, and then worked its way all the way back up to the 107.50 mark, which was also drawn in as resistance. Broke through that very nicely, and we're heading higher, even testing through now the 108 area. So putting in a pretty good sized base between 108 and 108.20, just like we were doing 107, 107.20. So nice to see those numbers holding up on a 15-minute chart. You can see what that looks like as well. Nice to trade long into this resistance, but be careful about it as well, and that's why the 107.50 mark was there. A lot of people see that and try to buy to cover their short trades so they don't get beat up on the short side. So that's what's going on. Next logical spot of resistance really is the swing high at 108.50 and then 109. So that's what we have in our camp going forward. On a 60-minute chart, we're also hitting our head very nicely on this 200 MA right through here. You can see that in this area. That's the 108.20 mark to the penny. That's why we're pulling back right now, and we'd have to work our way through that to get to 108.50. On a daily chart, the move continues just a little bit, and you can see what we have to fight through on the way back up, even this unfilled gap around 109 plus. Let's take a look intraday real quickly here at the market internals with the trend first at 0.84, lower highs and lower lows, but not as bullish as before, so be careful with that. And the trend Q, very, very nicely bullish, hovering around the 0.5 range after having bled out nicely below 1.2 and even 0.8. And the volatility index has also bled out very nicely. If you remember the morning video, we were on a daily chart, we were looking for this. Let me just zoom in here a little bit to break down below 32. We did get that. And on a 15-minute chart, you can see it even nicer. That was a gap down, stalled below the 200 MA and sold off very nicely. So a lot of good stuff as we fill this gap. Be careful here at the 30 mark and wait for some kind of confirmation for further upside potential. And that's what I see in the markets. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the trading day, and I'll be talking to you soon.